of ISL publications. So welcome Dr. Rout, welcome to our platform.
Thank you, Hariprakash Sinhaji, and it's very immense pleasure that in the weekends we are joining specifically for discussions on a very uh, creative topics on artificial intelligence. I welcome you and all the viewers.
Thank you, sir. We are privileged to have you here. So today
Thank you
we
so
are
much.
going to discuss artificial intelligence for beginners. How artificial intelligence can be unlocked and how we can have maximum benefit out of it. So unlocking the power of artificial intelligence is today's topic. So Dr. Raut, I am coming to you with my first question, just to enlighten our viewers. What is artificial intelligence and how does it differ from the traditional computer program? So can you please tell us?
Yeah. So artificial intelligence, sometimes we call AI, refer to the development of computer systems that can perform tasks that normally require human intelligence, such as natural language processing or like problem solving, imaging, speech recognition, and other activities. Unlike traditional computing, AI systems can learn and improve their systems day by gathering more amount of data. In traditionally, you have to input the data, but in specifically artificial intelligence, it gathers the data which is stored and doing various perception of the work which the prompter, or you can say the receptor, giving inputs.
Okay. So how has this artificial intelligence impacted our lives, even for those who may not realize it? So how this has
There are
impacted our life?
there are a lot of things that AI has impacted our daily lives. So some personalized recommendation in social media, like virtual assistant, as we all know about Siri and Alexa, fraud detection in banking transactions, or self-driven cars. Many people are not aware about these technologies, which are make their life easier, specifically by use of artificial intelligence. And day by day, it is revolving and penetrating different verticals.
So can you explain the concept of machine learning and its role in artificial intelligence?
Specifically, machine learning is a subdivided field that AI focus on the development, most of the algorithm and statistical models that enable computer systems to learn fast and make predictions or decisions based on the data which is stored. Machine learning is a critical component of many AIs which are improvised day by day, daily, specifically on the algorithm parts, on the data gathering parts, on specifically accepting the data on various models such as peak recommendations, medical verticals, and diagnosis of product and recommendations. So there are a lot of things. The machines are learning. AI is the process which whichever logic or algorithm we are putting day by day, it's learn and like it's just an example that when the baby is born, like human, is we are giving them inputs through different by voices. Like we are inputting our babies that stand like this, learn like this. So it is being stored. So AI is a systems. So it learn from your inputs and create the solutions as per your requirement.
And it would be great if you just tell our viewers about some practical applications of artificial intelligence that the beginners can easily understand and appreciate.
Sure. So there are a lot of practical application nowadays available to integrated of AI. Some practical application of AI for the beginners or like students or the newcomers is to understand is that chatbots, virtual assistant, predictive analytics, or image recognition systems. These technologies are already used in many industries such as retail, healthcare, finance, and are changing the way that we are interacting with the technology. A lot of changes or a lot of disruptions happening specifically by using these uh, strategical technologies in various segment of industries. As I given some of the example like retail, healthcare, finance, and all those stuff. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. So I was saying, what ethical considerations should beginners be aware of when working with AI technologies?
There are a lot of ethical considerations you are specifically using, like um, specifically AI is a knowledge for us and it gives a lot of practices. But for regarding decisions making, whatever the data it is being stored, it make decision on the base of the data. So it depends whether the data is accurate or logical or validated by the current societal or industrial laws. Okay. So, you can say a 70% stakeholding that it can help you out, but you have to brainstorm that whether it is validated or not. Okay. And regarding improvisations, because it only give you help whatever is stored or whatever it retrieved from its stored data. Yeah.
And how can individuals without a strong technical background start learning about AI and its potential?
Mhm.
So, can you give some
Mhm.
idea?
So there are specifically lot of things can be improvised. That technical means your analytical or creativity skills should be high. Okay. So nowadays people are using smartphone. Most of the kids are also using smartphones. So they are interacting day to day by classes. And even in the schools nowadays, we have online classes, attendance, workshops are also going on. So to learning individual in the two aspects, one is on specifically interest on creativity or interest on analytical part. Secondly, is that to participation in different online workshop forums specified on the AI topic, they can be learned regarding on specifically avenue of their growth in AI sectors.
Limitations of artificial intelligence and for beginners, actually.
As we discussed that day to day, every technologies have pros and cons. So, you have just brief you that you have motor vehicles. Technology increases, so mileage and efficiency level increases, but in the meantime, also accidents happen. Okay, so technology is a help out things, but how you can curate the technology with your growth for the futuristic career or avenues or businesses, that is your own ethical consideration practices. First thing is that they have to aware about some vulnerabilities, they have to aware about the security aspects of computer security or cyber security aspects. So to be aware about all the stuff and all.
Can you provide some examples of AI powered tools or platforms that are accessible for beginners for experimentation and learning?
Most of the most of the website nowadays, Udemy, they are providing courses and some accessibility. Khan Academy also, so they are also providing. There are a lot of things. Organizations are helping out to indulge the technologies and all.
Okay. And what might the future hold for artificial intelligence? And how can beginners prepare for this evolving field?
Now, the potential of AI holds like it's a great potential because it solves the problems. So, in the field of complex problems like healthcare, energy, climate changes, as you told that ethical private securities. So it's a trend which is gradually day by day. They are working on the research fields. They are developing interdisciplinary approaches. Specifically, as I told you, that science with mathematics, science with ethics, science with communication. So it's day by day revolving. So it's a fascinating that in coming future you can see a different integrated and interdisciplinary growth of AI.
Do they schools teach about the artificial intelligence at this level, at a school level?
Pardon, can you repeat, please?
No, no. What I am asking you, is there a subject for
Mhm.
artificial intelligence in school education currently?
Some schools are in South, one school is integrated, okay, but it depends. Like artificial intelligence with artificial, it's a broad subject with interdisciplinary, okay. Some schools gradually plan one because it is a part of your software development. It's a
Hmm.
part of your coding in future program. It's already a part. But to create, as I told you, that there are a lot of things interdisciplinary approaches will be evolving in the future. Okay, so maybe if you are a mechatronic student, if you are working on any project of robotics or all, so maybe some AI integrated softwares or tools specifically they can be developed in the future on that avenues. Like uh, normally, you know that we are for regarding photos. Previously, we are using Photoshop. Okay, so people are learning Photoshop regarding to for their day-to-day avenues. So like it will be evolving. So when the um, uh, technology evolve on the constant interdisciplinary areas, then obviously there will be curriculums will be developed.
I see. So, if someone is interested just entering this field, this world of artificial intelligence, what should be the first step?
So, artificial as we discussed in the past session, is that it's a fascinating world. If you are like creative, if you are analytical, and you have a curiosity with persistence and passion for learning with the problems, then it is a way for you. Okay, AI has a potential to change our world for the better, but it also presents new ethical and social changes that will need to be addressed with proper transparency, dialogue, and collaboration. And specifically, lot of is a I part of a lot of LNM projects or AI projects. Any initiations or any queries or any questions specifically on that, uh, I appreciated all viewers. They can connect this YouTube channel. Uh, our link is there. They can connect us and give their good feedbacks specifically and any questions so that we can address and we'll be happy to answer you out with the solutions. And for more futuristic topic, you can connect to Hari Sinha's channel also. And put if you have any specific questions on any technology innovations, implementation, and regarding all avenues, you can connect Sinha or me specifically through this YouTube channel or through LinkedIn.
Thank you, Dr. Rout. So that all the questions we had for today, and we'll be
Thank you so
coming
much,
up
Sinha, sir.
with more
And
such futuristic topic again. So thank you, viewers,
sure,
for watching. Please
thank
subscribe
you
to the
so much. Thank
channel
you so much, Sinha. Thank you
and
so
click
much.
the bell icon. Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you
you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you.